fiti ni asese ni din and your friend say mechanic na prophet kumichacha ma sesa me YouTube no ba bia me hwe bia ma change afro and ma ba too much GH hwe na prophet kumichacha me so me hwe
Etiefo ne ahwefo mema obibia akwa aba eye munya ba Mexican nsema beto mapo no so na me de ba besom mo ye papa ya ye for ye ex-president ya onya ne baby ko ye na akoba se etwetwe nsem ba de bia ye ntumi enso an se de nsem na ya gibo he wo Ghana ha emma papa yi free mu pe na nsensem start bo re mu na eba na nsem ni bia ebeto dwa sa mene say emra papa ne da hospital before wo be kon encourage no koba say party ana wo no the founder of it which is NDC aban no emu penifo no ebi ankwa nkopie mu ewo ayaresabia wo na emra koba say papa ne so free mu no na ye di insiye ekwo Flagstaff House once so koba say Senator ex-president Jerry John Rawlings ne baba no and the cousins ekopie mu wa na NDC penifo no po ba kumpo enkan na Ghana fo nyina etu oma no egusu di mu abobo na omo ka insema kese indirectly say omo ba kire say NDC aban no na papa ne di omo yini sinchen kora no omo ndwe ne ho omo mfa ne ho mpo je say omo papa no abasu bodie park yeso omo papa ya ansa na we free atasefo asase no omo ntu sa na monitor ekoba na chese Ghana fo aso mudin so papa na enu enkoda enchen na ewie mu bie mu NDC mpenifo no so bo omode akọ aso yewo ekwochire omo yawo mu komu ene ade omo ahwe omo condolence ni na chire so Ghana fo enya ho asem ka na Ghana fo bebre asem a wo mu ka comment ebe pie mu say koba say president ex-president John Dramani Mahama ne penifo ekopie mu ewo ex-president John Jerry Rawlings fie na ekoba so mu ko chiro mu yawo mu ko mu condolence na ye mame ajimankunedu eyi neni edema NDC party ko no na didi na mo no ankosiwa insansem ye beto just so yi neni je so mo pa che say yes no be pa ni wade pa wo yi ye na didi na ankwada nchense na ya tesem but na confirmation bi anya be pie mu ye na wey ene ex-president I was aspired for post recently just car president post 7 December election na one also aspire for view command condolence wie ye no and so addiction ye no and I was making comments I mean kind the way I will making a comment no I see we will honor him with the same energy and love with which he lead our people, and we shall never forget his contribution to the cause of Ghana, Africa, and the world. Now, I say what true way and to the page so I will show gratitude and it's only ya only Ghana for assuring up. And so what we are now side pictures such as Emra or come up call a yawa mufi Emra not just a military tramway she out as a security attack. I will be on to me call just a teach you for a hand in the four the to me call. Now I call young to go to try pictures I near course only now. Now on one share the pictures. I will baby I will show the condolence. And show the gratitude and the pictures of course on your call, course on the now. Or say, any two jam with the motion picture now, and run was screen. So now, echo back the pictures when you are. Do not shave ye, you know, say, comments. Wait there. Say confirmation when their pictures we are confirmed. Say, walk off here one a year, Mrs. Ajimankunedu, now a year ex. President Jerry John Rawlings wife no Oyineni Maye, ex-president, also aspire for post to be a year John Dramani Mahama, Oyineni Manepan, who share Rana Wachiano, no now to Muse, and any a dancing, and I am very soon to a year John Dramani Mahama, also the condolence, a walk and Samosono, do not have to say a picture and monoson, yeah, mammy, Nenny a dancing. That means a year more present in Pono and Shada, and Nika. Mama Menosa and said that and some I mean if you say do not have to say now a year ex-president Tias and although I so in your free party no and I says I instruction way on Costa and Bravo now some rano and a yes and Cassan way now a coso about body beer whatever to jar or the pages so no some rano and Caesar was a body and I coso then so it will be a new person and yeah bra we free moon a fianza mobile young moon your man you may bet church or donna mameno chess said do not have to say say no yes also no be and pictures very do not have to say confirm they are not just say no to say there be and this are no woman the founder ex-president Jerry John Rawlings woman no endini na etie for ni ahwefo say na dodo na ka woman say ex-president NDC abani na endini no sa na tie wa dwenkyere wo behia adwenkyere bi abewo wo no na wagya to your comment section or e dey amen so won subscribe here so about more than subscribe say na be ya dan da too much GH if you dey class dey ye dey a discussion interviews program bia etu mo so won sabe to me akabe no wa kire wa dwen na afi so na wo share na wo like the promote too much GH and then so bunya ba mo so for na video me dey beto ma akono so yi aha na me dey mo besi that say na ye besa ehie bi makawa mo.
Too much GH. We did that say Japan. A break PM Besame TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody GDB. Madam I say love you.
Too much GH. We boy wate. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH. Me dey the Isaiah Kodwampo. We betumi afem the great tempo. Mbring. Won me nka mo ni hwe Too Much GH. Too much GH. Mo ye too much. Na me so me ye am on fire.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.